So we'll say the shlokas now. First 19 shlokas. Who will start? Shrirangi, आप बोलिए. First 5 or 7.
Sure. तपस्वाध्याय निरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवं कोन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः चारित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को अनसूयकः कस्य विद्यते देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधं नरम् श्रुत्वा चैतन्यलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकिर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयतान्नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवो रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहु कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महेश्वर. Oh, sorry, I was closing myself. Okay. Good. Okay, I will read it from the screen. महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढचतुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समस्तमविभक्ताङ्गस्निग्धवर्णप्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञ सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वर्षः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिः समश्रीमान् धाता रिपुनिषोदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञ स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधु अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदा विगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्य सर्वसमश्चैव सदैकप्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृश क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समा धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः.
उत्तम, धन्यवाद श्रीरंगी. So Pragna, sorry, today we took away, Shrirangi took away your opportunity. We could read all 31, all 19 shlokas. Uttamam. अद्यतन पंचांगम शार्वरी नाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे ग्रीष्म ऋतौ अगेन एज पर पूर्णिमांत वर्ष ऋतौ आषाढ़ मासे अमांत श्रावण मासे पूर्णिमांत कृष्णपक्षे सप्तमी तिथि till 6:17 a.m. tomorrow morning. That means sunrise is little after that, and hence it is still given till that time. Otherwise they would say Sampurna Ratrau. स्थिरवासरः शनिवासराद्य उत्तरभाद्रपद नक्षत्रम till 10:49 p.m. After that Revati, and then Shobhanah Yoga till 11:29 a.m. After that Atigandaha, Karanam Vishtihi till 5:08, then Bhavaha 30:17, which means 6:17 tomorrow morning, and then Balavaha. So this set remained the same as last week. The Karanam generally will continue unless it runs over Sampurna Ratra. If we see any other day of a Tithi, then this slightly rolls over to the next 3. But otherwise, Karanam is generally the same set. So we have so far completed the 19 shlokas, in which there were sort of 2 major sections, we can say, except the first shloka, which is setting the background that Valmiki and Narada visits Valmiki's ashram. Then the next 4 shlokas are asked by Valmiki, having, when such great people come, you don't ask, how was that movie, this movie? You'll ask great things only. So Valmiki happened to ask him to tell about one great person who is living today with all these great qualities. And then we saw that the next 15 shlokas or 14 shlokas, Narada answers with 60 unique qualities, followed by some similes of 9 of them. So overall 69 qualities as we count Narada answers, and then continues with the rest of the storytelling. So today onwards, we are getting into the story part, which again is very, very bullet point stories. It's not even sentences. It's just bullet points. So several times we might even miss some, conjunctions between the sentences. It is like bullet points. It won't be a complete sentence. There is need not be a full stop. So tamevam guna sampannam ramam satyaparakramam jyeshtham sreshta gunair priyam dasharathas sutam. That is the shloka. Let's all say it. Tamevam guna sampannam ramam satyaparakramam jyeshtham sreshta gunair priyam dasharathas sutam. Prakritinam hitair Prakriti priyakamyaya Yauvarajyena samyoktum Aichat pritya mahipatihi. So that's where these 2 shlokas together go as one sentence, one event. It's called Ardha Chatushtayam Ekanvayi, if you see here in the last word of this bullet. So Ardha Chatushtayam, which means 4 halves of the shlokas, that is the shloka set in 2 shlokas together, is one anvayam, is one big sentence or one big event. So what it says is Balakandoktam Suchitva Ayodhya Kanda Vrittamaha Tamevam Ityadina. So having told about Balakanda, now they are starting with Ayodhya Kanda by saying Tamevam, Evam iti. So what is Balakanda told so far? If we think, then they are saying Satya Parakramam, Amoghaviryam, Priyam, Sarva Priti Vishayi Bhutam. So when we say Priyam, it is Sarva Priti Vishayam Bhutam. So not when we say Priya of Dasharatha, for Dasharatha, Rama is Priya, means in all aspects he is dear to Rama. So Sarva Priti Vishayi Bhutam, Jyeshtham, we know he is the eldest son. Purva Pradubhutam iti. Purva Pradubhutam. Sreshta Gunair Yuktam, filled with all, excellent qualities. Sreshte Jyeshte cha Anuchitaha Gunaha Vatsalyad Ayaha Tair Yuktam. So the one who is with the best of the best qualities, excellent qualities, Yuktam, with all these qualities. Prakritinam, which means Prajanam. Prakriti is also another synonym for Prajaha. So Prakritinam is Prajanam, of the people. Hitaihi, hitapalakopadeshaihi yuktam. So that means for the hita of the prajaha. Evam sarvaguna sampannam tam sutam swaputram ramam prakriti priyakamyaya praja kalyanechaya mahipatihi apratihata chakro rajadhirajo dasharatha प्रीत्या अतिप्रेम्णा यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुम ऐच्छत्. So if you see, bhashyams are written this way. I think I told once, even in the past also. Today, if we open a Bhagavad Gita translation, for example, the way we see is, we'll see the shloka above, probably in English font below that. Then below that, for each word equal to some meaning in the translated language. But in Samskrita Bhashyam, there is no equal to symbol. The original word followed by the meaning and or elaboration. And there is no comma. So you have to understand where the words are meaning, where they are being explained. So for example, Pritya means Ati Premna. Yauvarajyena samyoktum aichat. Dasharatha shabdarthastu dashasu dikshu apratihataha rathaha yasya saha. Arthachatushtayam ekanvayi. So what does Dasharatha mean? Dashasu dikshu, in all the 10 dishaha. Dasho disha, we say, right? Dasha disha. The 4 is Purva, Paschima, Uttara, Dakshina. And then the 4 corners, which is Ishanya, Agneya, Nairati, Vayavya. And then Upari, Adhaha. Typically these are Dasha dishaha. So in dashasu dikshu, apratihataha means unconquerable, rathaha, that is his army, his chariot, his power. Yasya saha, the one whose ratha is unconquerable in all the 10 directions is Dasharatha. Iti arthachatustayam anvayi. So now, Evam guna sampannam. One, of course, is all the gunas that were already listed before, all those 69 gunas. And also here he is saying, Sreshta gunair yuktam. So all such Sreshta is noble, most noblest guna, filled with such noblest guna. Tam Priyam Sutam Ramam Satyaparakramam. So this is all which means Dvitiya Vibhakti, which means unto him, unto that Rama, or unko aisa bolne ke liye. So that Rama who is Guna Sampanna with Sreshta Gunair Yuktaha and Priyaha of Dasharatha, Satya Parakramaha. What is the Parakrama of Rama? Satyameva tasya Parakramam. His valor is in his sticking to the Satya Vachana. So Satya Parakramam. Tadrasham Ramam Priyasutam. Dasharatha Mahipatihi. So he is the Mahipati. He is the Chakravarti. Such Mahipati Dasharatha Yauvarajyena samyoktum aichat. Aichat means in the past tense. He wished. Icha kiya is aichat. Ishtavan itiktavatu pratyena. So kim ishtavan Yauvarajyena samyoktum. So that Rama, he wanted to give him with the Yauvarajya Pattabhisheka. Why? Prakritinam hitaihi yuktam prakriti priyakamyaya. So we said Prakriti is Prajaha, the citizens. So Prakritinam hitair yuktam. So another quality of Rama is, so Satya Parakramam, evam guna sampannam, Satya Parakramam, Sreshta Gunair yuktam, Jeshtham Priyam Sutam Prakritinam Hitairyuktam Ramam iti. So one of the best qualities of Rama is, even by that time, even by that he's in his teenagers itself, he is known for always seeking the hita of Prakriti, which means the citizens. So Prakritinam Hitairyuktam, such a Rama, unto such Rama, because he is always a well-wisher of people, he wanted to do this Yavarajya of Sri Rama. Why again? Prakriti Priyakamyaya. Priyakamyaya is Tritiya Vibhakti, which means because of, or for the sake of. For the sake of Prakriti Priyakama, Kamya. For the sake of welfare, for the desire of the welfare of his citizens, because Sri Rama is already a well-wisher of his citizens, Mahipatihi Dasharatha Yavarajyena Samyuktum Pritya Aichat. With all that, with all that love for people, for Rama, Dasharatha wished to perform the Yavarajya Abhisheka for Sri Rama. Now, we said Balakanda is already told, Balakanda Oktam. How is it told? Etadantam Balakandiya Artha Sangraha Tamevam Ityadina Ayodhya Kandiya Artha Sangraha Arabhate Tatra Ikshwaku Vamsha Prabhavaha Ityanena Bhagavad Avirbhavaha Suchitaha. So Balakanda starts with, in the previous shloka set, Ikshwaku Vamsha Prabhavaha, that is the first one Narada starts it with, right? So that means of the Bhagavad Avirbhavaha, of the birth of Sri Rama, of the Bhagavan. It starts with that. Then Mahaviryaha, Shatrunibarhanaha, Ityanena, with those Mahaviryam, Shatrunibarhanaha, with those adjectives or with those qualities. The story part of Vishwamitra Anugrahaja Shastrastra Sampatti Tatakavadhadi Suchitam. So all the events related to Vishwamitra taking Rama with him, giving him all the Shastras and Astras, and then making him apply them to kill Tataka, all of that which consists of Balakanda is also covered with those gunas. Then Lakshmivan Ityanena Sita Parinayaha Suchitaha. So with the Lakshmivan Shubhalakshanaha, and it goes right. So by saying that Lakshmivan, Sita Parinayam is also covered there. Then Satyaparakramam Ityanena Bhargava Loka Pratibandhadi Suchitam. So after Sita Kalyana, as he is returning, as he is about to return, leave the Mithila Nagara, then Parshurama comes there saying, hey, who are you? It seems you broke Shivadhanas, and that tussle between them, right? And then Parshurama realizes that yes, Sri Rama is the next real good Kshatriya that I was looking for, and so now I will retire. And Parshurama retires after that. So that event is also covered in Satya Parakrama. And then Evam Guna Sampannam Prag means Prag Uktaritya, as told before. Sakala Kalyana Gunayuktam Satya Parakramam Amogha Parakramam, and so on it goes. So Jeshtham iti Jeshta Gunaihi Yavarajya Abhisheka or Arha Gunaihi. When Dasharatha also chooses Sri Rama, he has already looked at the eligibility of Sri Rama. So when we say Jeshta Gunaihi, Yavarajya Abhisheka Gunaihi Api Yuktam, not only is the eldest of the four, but the Arhata of Yavarajya Abhisheka is also in Sri Rama. And then rest of it we saw Prakritinam, which means Prajanam, Hitaihi means iha amutra hitavahaihi yuktam. Iha amutracha. So he is always seeking the welfare, or he is a well-wisher of the citizens, not only of iha, which is this loka, but amutra, of the paraloka also, which means making sure his people are doing all the punya karya, so that they are not only materialistically happy, but also in the otherworldly happiness also, in the spiritual pursuit also, that his people are able to continue. So with the well-wishers of both this world and the spiritual world, material world and spiritual world. And that's why we say nishreyasa samanvitaha, samutkarshaha nishreyaha. Those two qualities we always refer in our prarthana also. Jeshtham sutam ramam prakriti priyakamyaya, prakritinam priyam kartumichaya, Chandasaha, okay, that is Chandasa. Prakriti sambandhena atmanaha priyam kartumichaya. So same thing here. Samyuktum yojitum mahipati dasharataha ichat. So that is the next event that happens. So main point to note here is, just because somebody was the eldest son in our previous our answer in our culture, it is a great mix of pure what do you call, pure the empire or dynasty versus democracy as well. The king was chosen not just by his elder son or anything like that. The rishis, the cabinet, people representatives, all of them together, by collecting opinions from all of them, then finally king makes his decision in appointing the next successor. So that is what is even meant here by saying prakritinam hitair yuktam, and so that is rajya yavarajya abhisheka arhaihi gunaihi yuktam is said. Then तस्याभिषेक संरंभान दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन मयाचत. So let's repeat this shloka. तस्याभिषेक संरंभान दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन मयाचत. So Dasharatha already started to do the Abhisheka, Yavaraj Abhisheka, and so that means the process started. We know, right? Even to do a small birthday party, we do a lot of preparations, and anybody visits our house, they would realize that, oh, something is going on, right? So likewise, now imagine performing Yavarajya Abhisheka of Sri Rama. There will be so much of kolahala, so much of busyness, so many people bringing various samagri, setting up the achada or the tents, not tents, but setting up the Vedika, dais, etc. Right? Several rishis coming there, pujaris, panditas coming there, several Samanta Raja also coming there. So there will be a lot of things going on. But if you see the shloka here, Tasya Abhisheka Samrambhan. So Abhisheka Samrambha is that, galore, they say, right? That festivity. Samrambha is festivity. Tasya Abhisheka Samrambhan Drishtva. Drishtva means dekh ke. Having seen, or by seeing that festivity events going on in the capital there, in the Antahpura also, Bharya Kaikeyi Atha, now she remembers Purvam Dattavara Devi Varam Enam Ayachata. So, though the bhashyam is very much, but I think we will, as we promised, we will run this through shlokas faster. So we'll try to run faster. So Kaikeyi Bharya is qualified with what is called as Purvam Dattavara. Vara. Varam Yasyai Datta Sa Dattavara. That is the samasa there. Which means one who is given boons is called the booni. If I can say that in English. Something like that. It's trying to build a samasa in English. Somebody, one who is given a boon is boon given. Boon given, the boon given one. That is what it is. Datta Vara. One who is given the Vara. What Vara? That's where the story comes. So in long time back, of course, even in the then there is this other sorry. So let us complete this whole sentence. Tasyabhisheka samrambhan drishtva bharyatha kaikeyi purvam dattavara devi varamena mayachata vivasanam cha ramasya bharatasya. So purvam there was one Rakshasa. His name is I forgot his name.
Is there Shambharasura?
Shambharasura. Correct. So Shambharasura is one Rakshasa. So during a fight with him between Indra and the Devatas and with them, Indra seeks help of Dasharatha. And Dasharatha has helped Indra several times. He's so powerful, so valiant in warrior he is. And so in one such fight, Kaikeyi also accompanies Dasharatha, and she helps him in running the chariot for Dasharatha. And narrowly they escape, the Shambharasura's fight. And so Dasharatha is impressed, and so he gives varas. One, because you were driving my chariot, my ratha, and two, you helped me win. So I'll give you 2 varas, he says. She is in love with him, so she doesn't care. I mean, she was a good woman, good wife. So she said, no, don't worry. That's okay. Kind of a small interaction between them. Dasharatha also says, all right, But now, I mean, in this one line, Purvam Dattavara Devi Varamena Mayachata, in that shlokartha, in that one half line of the shloka, the entire event of Manthara coming, giving all that, filling Kaikeyi with all that venom, all that is mentioned, is implicit here. And so now Manthara reminds Kaikeyi that, hey, you remember that fight there where you helped Dasharatha and he gave you those 2 boons? So now is the time for you to go ask for those 2 boons. So Varam Dattavara Varam Ayachata. Ayachata is Yachate is in present tense. Ayachata is in past tense. So she sought. Yachate is seek. Ayachata is sought. She sought the Dattavara Devi Bharya Kaikeyi Varam Ayachata. Whom? Enam. Enam means Dasharatham. So she seeks the vara. What 2 varas? Vivasanam cha Ramasya Bharatasya Abhishechanam. So the Vasa is live. Nivasa is better living. Vivasanam means getting rid of the Vasa. That means get him out of the palace or out of the city. Vivasanam cha Ramasya, and in his place, Bharatasya Abhishechanam. So do the Abhishek of Bharata. These 2 varas she seeks. So Purvasmin Kale Indra Sahayartham Pravritta Dasharathasya Daityaihi Yuddha Kale Dasharathetara prayuktam asurim mayam dhavalangam dhavalanga muni datta vidyaya nivarayatriyai kaikayai. So there is one Muni called Dhavalanga Muni. He gave Kaikeyi a vidya, let us say. And what is that vidya? Asuri Mayam Nivarayitum. So she can recognize the Asuri Maya, and accordingly she has the vision of Asuri Maya, of the Rakshasas cheating traits, the deceived traits. She has that vidya to recognize them, and accordingly she diverts Dasharatha's chariot from those mayas, not getting into those traps. And so Kaikeyi Tushtena Dasharathena, satisfied or delighted Dasharatha, Dattau Varau Yasyai Sa. So Purva Dattavara Devi, Dattavara, Purvam Dattavara means this is the whole story there. Devi Sayeva Rajabhisheka Samaye Praptabhisheka Devi Tadvat Priyatamam Enam Vakshamana Lakshanam Varam Praptakalatvat Ayachata Rajanam. So she sought the Varam of the Raja. Praptakalam, jab samay aaya, tab she found that opportunity to seek that vara now. So that means Dasharatha gave a blank check, and blank checks are always dangerous. So that's what it means here. Varadvayam aha Ramasya Rajyad Udvasanam. So Vivasa, another term for it is Udvasanam. If you remember, when we do puja, any Vinayaka puja or Gauri Vratam or any Vratam, at the end we do Udvasanam. Udvasanam means because we do Avahanam first of the god into that Murti, and then we do the worship of that Murti, of the Bhagavat Shakti in that Murti. At the end, we again let him go back. So that is called Udvasanam. So that means leave, essentially. Leave the Murti and go back to your place. So that is Vivasanam. And Bharatasya, that means Swaputrasya Abhishechanam. So that's another big event, we all know that happens. Then we'll chant the next shloka. Sa Satyavachanat Raja Dharma Pashena Samyataha Vivasayamasa Sutam Ramam Dasharatah Priyam. So, yeah, as we said, he gave a blank check, that too signed blank check. And unfortunately, it was not a 6-month expiry. It was several years later, she claims that check. And Dasharatha and the whole of the entire Bharatavarsha, the Vedic culture itself, is about Satyavachanam, Satyavak. Vakkeva, we talked in the very first days, if you remember. What is the power of the Vak? How much we honor the word, the speech, or the word. So accordingly, likewise, Dasharatha also is a follower of keeping up the promises, keeping up the given word, sticking to the word. And so Satyavachanat, because he gave that Vachanam, to keep that Vachanam, Satyavachanat, Raja Dharmapashena Samyataha, Raja Dasharatha Dharmapashena Samyataha. Pasham is the rope. Right? We also know Yamadharmaraja also has a pasha. Lalita Devi has a pasha. Everybody has a pasha. Pasha is in a physical, bhautika way, if we see, it is a rope. And rope is typically used to tie and keep you not going away from it or keeping you stuck to it. You cannot leave. You are not free. You are bonded. Bonded, essentially. The bondage rope is pasha. So some people are into the pasha of the material lust. Whereas here, he is into dharma pashena samyataha. So dharma is the pasha. To keep up dharma, they are bonded to establish, to ensure, to enact dharma. That is the quality of our kings. And so Dasharatha is also one such king. And so dharma pashena samyataha Dasharatha satyavachanat priyam sutam ramam vivasayamasa. Vivasayamasa is past tense. So he let his dear son Rama leave the city or leave the state into exile. That is what it means. The whole story again here, we know several events of, Dasharatha visits Kaikeyi's chambers, but he sees her in all that, all that Vesha. We will get into those details when that chapter comes, when that sarga comes. But we all know that, including Prajna, she also sees. So all of that event is all implied in this one shloka here. So Satyavachanat Raja Dharmapashena Samyataha Vivasayamasa Sutam Ramam Dasharatha Priyam. And then, now if Dasharatha himself is a Satyavachanat Dharmapashena Samyataha, how would his son Rama be? He would be further, bonded to Satyam and Dharmam. And so Sajagama Vanam Viraha. Let us say this shloka. Sajagama Vanam Viraha Pratignya Manupalayan
Yan
Pitur Vachana Nirdeshat
Pitrurvachana Nirdeshat
Kaikeyah Priyakarana.
Kaikeya Priyakarana.
So, Saha, sa means Saha, who? Rama. Jagama, Gachati, its past tense is Jagama. Jagama means he left, he went. Where did he go? Vanam. And who is he? Saha Viraha. Viraha Ramaha. So to go to Vana, to go to exile, it is not easy, right? You need courage. You need a lot of courage. You need to be a warrior because you should be prepared to face any wild animals. You should be prepared to face all the dacoits, etc. So you need to be a Veera. So Saha Veeraha Ramaha Vanam Jagama. He left for the Vanam, for the forest. Why? Pratignyam Anupalayan. Anupalayan. Because Palana karte huye. Anupalana means by following the by following. Anupalanam means following. By following what? Pratignyam. He gave pratignya. So first of all, Dasharatha gave pratignya to Kaikeyi, and Dasharatha cannot say that. On his behalf, Kaikeyi tells that, hey, your father, it seems, wants you to. So diplomatically she says that. And oh, my father wants it. All right, I'm there to do anything for my father. And don't worry, Amma, I'm going, he says. And those statements, Ramo Dvirna Vivashate, quotable quotes I said, right? That's another beautiful quote of Rama. We should always keep saying that. Ramo Dvirna Vibhashate. Can we all say that? I highlighted here in bold. Ramo Dvirna Vibhashate. Say. Oh, somebody's on mute. Unmute.
Ramo Dvirna Bhashate.
Ramo Dvirna Bhashate.
Ramo Dvirna Bhashate.
Bhashate, which means Rama Dvihi na Abhibhashate. Bhashate is bolta. Abhibhashate statement. मेरा कहना, हाँ, राम दो, क्या बोलना है हिंदी में, क्या बोलना है?
दो बार
दोबारा
नहीं,
नहीं,
दोबारा नहीं बोलते।
दो बार नहीं, नहीं,
एक बार जो बोलते
द्विधा मीन्स दो तरह, हाँ, दो तरह की बात नहीं बोलता, एक ही बात बस। दो, एक बार यहाँ एक ऐसा, दूसरी बार वहां वैसा नहीं। रामा, that is his Rama statement. Rama says, राम दो द्विधा नहीं बोलता है। तो हिंदी में कैसे बोलना है इसको जी? दोबारा नहीं, इसको द्विधा, రెండు మాటలుగా చెప్పడు इन तेलुगु विषय, రాముడు రెండుగా మాట్లాడు అని। बट इन हिंदी कैसे बोलते हैं हम?
बेसिकली सबसे पहले दोनों साइड से नहीं बोलते कि एक बार वन वे ओनली। I don't know how to say in Hindi. I'm looking at Ranjan.
Even I am also thinking like actually.
दोगला नहीं है।
दोगला बोलते हैं, पर दोगला is not actual slang. So दोगला मतलब कि जो दोगला मतलब जो अपनी बात पे नहीं रहता, that is दोगला। But वो actually it's not a common Hindi word, it's like kind of slang. So वैसा है।
But so that's a very powerful statement of Rama, and he says that to Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi is not sure. Initially Rama says, yes, I will go, I will leave. My father asked, I'll do anything for my father. But Kaikeyi is not sure, will he really leave? So he immediately is trying to order to get that one of the chira is that that cloth used, that dirtiest cloth, or what do you call it, with non-luxury cloth, khadi cloth. Imagine it's a khadi cloth, such non-luxury one.
Rags.
And he realizes,
Rags, cloth.
Rags, correct. Rags, cloth in rags. And so Rama realizes that, oh, you're not believing me that I will leave? And so he says, Ramo dvirna vibhashate. Rama doesn't have two tongues. If he says once, that's it. Take it as written on stone. Ramo dvirna vibhashate. That is a great vacuum there. And so pratignya anupalayan, because he gave pratignya there. So Rama also gives the pratignya. Don't worry, Amma, I'm leaving, and be happy. Let Bharata be the king. I'm leaving to the exile. And why does he leave? Piturvachana nirdeshat. Had Kaikeyi not said that your father wants you to leave, let's imagine the situation. If Kaikeyi said, Rama, I want you to leave, probably he would not have left immediately. He would have waited for Dasharatha to order him. So much of love for his father. Piturvachana nirdeshat. And we saw this line, right? Piturvachana nirdeshat. I told you, right? When Vishwamitra asks Rama to kill Tataki, that time also Rama hesitates. And then Vishwamitra tells what is the Sanatana Dharma. Yesha Dharma Sanatana, he says, which is Ritamba Nutanchaiva Pradarakshana Karanat Patakam Sadosham Va Kartavyam Rajasununa Rajavara Niyuktanam Yesha Dharma Sanatana. Such a big policy of our Dharma, Vishwamitra tells Rama. Even after that, he doesn't directly kill him. What he says is, Piturvachana nirdeshat, Piturvachana karanat, Vachanam kaushakasyeti, karishye, tatakavadha, he says. So because my father asked me to follow you, and because he said, you are like my father, and hence I am doing it. So Piturvachana is, Rama will do anything for his father. That is the Piturvachana. So Piturvachana nirdeshat. Nirdesha is direction. Even though Dasharatha directly did not say, Kaikeyi said, hey, it seems your father wants you too. That's how she says in English. So Piturvachana, however, even then, he takes it as Piturvachana nirdesha. So Piturvachana nirdeshat. And why? Kaikeyah priyakaranat. And this is also very important. Though it is not mentioned very in detail in Balakanda, but in other Tulsi Ramayana and also we see, and certain other times through such one or two short sentences here and there, we realize that Rama spent a lot of his childhood, meaning when he was in his teenage, no, not teenage, what do you say? In his boyhood, before he leaves with Vishwamitra, till that time, he used to spend a lot of time with Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi was so fond of Rama. She used to, feed Rama, play with Rama a lot. Even though Kausalya, he used to spend time with his mother Kausalya, Kaikeyi used to love Rama so much. So, even for that sake also, so not only for Piturvachana Nirdeshat, Kaikeya Priyakaranat, such a beloved mother Kaikeyi, who loved me more than her own son Bharata. And if she asks me, I will do. She gave me so much love. What is there? Instead of living in Ayodhya, I will live in Vana. So what? Such an easy, take it easy. So, such an ease of life Rama shows us. So Kaikeya Priyakaranat. So 3 reasons. 1, Piturvachana Nirdeshat. 2, Kaikeya Priyakaranat. 3, for these 2 reasons, he made the pratignya. Ramo Durna Vibhashade, I am leaving now, he says. So pratignyam anupalayan saha viraha vanam jagama. That is how the sentence comes there. Piturvachana Nirdeshat, Kaikeya Priyakaranat, pratignyam anupalayan saha viraha vanam jagama. That's how the prose sentence called Anvayam comes of that shloka. So let's say all the 3 shlokas so far. Somebody unmute and rest all also follow. Because we learned so far 19. Our aim, as we said, is to learn this entire sarga, which is about 101 shlokas. And as I said, in our olden days, even till our childhood also, all the children used to know this by heart. And hence this sarga, which is otherwise also called Sankshipta Ramayana, is also called Bala Ramayana. Because why? Because Balas used to memorize this sarga of the Ramayana, which covers the entire Ramayana story. So it is also called Bala Ramayana. And hence, we want all of us, the next goal is to memorize the entire sarga of 100 shlokas. So we did 19 and 20. So let's continue from there. From here. Tamevam gunasampannam. Anybody repeating after me?
Okay, go ahead, Prajna.
Prajna, you will say, okay. Tamevam gunasampannam.
Tamevam gunasampannam.
Ramam Satyaparakramam.
Ramam Satyaparakramam.
Jeshtham Sreshta Gunair-yuktam.
Jeshtham Sreshtam Gunair-yuktam.
Priyam Dasharatha-sutam.
Priyam Dasharatha-sutam.
Prakritinam Hitair-yuktam.
Prakritinam Hitair-yuktam.
Prakriti Priyakamyaya.
Prakriti Priyakamyaya.
Yavarajyena Samyoktam.
Yavarajyena Samyoktam.
Aichat Samyoktum.
Samyoktum.
Aichat Pritya Mahipatihi.
Aichat Pritya Mahipatihi.
Tasyabhisheka Samrambhan.
Tasyabhisheka Sambrahman.
Drishtva Bharyatha Kaikeyi.
Drishtva Bharyatha Kaikeyi.
No, Bharyatha. Atha. Not Atha. Bharyatha Kaikeyi. Tasyabhisheka Samrambhan.
Tasyabhisheka Sambrahman.
Drishtva Bharyatha Kaikeyi.
Drishtva Bharyatha Kaikeyi.
Bharyatha.
Bharyatha Kaikeyi.
Purvam Dattavara Devi.
Purvam Dattavara Devi.
Varamena Vyachata.
Varamena Vyashata.
Varamena Mayachata.
Varamena Mayachata.
Vivasanam Charamasya.
Vivashanam Charamasya.
Bharatasyabhishechanam.
भरतस्याभिषेचनम्
ससत्यवचनात् राजा
सत्यवचनात् राजा
धर्मपाशेन संयतः
धर्मपाशेन संयतः
विवासयामास सुतं
विवासयामास सुतं
रामं दशरथः प्रियम्
रामं दशरथः प्रियम्
स जगाम वनं वीरः
सजगाम वनं वीरः
प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन्
प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन्
पितुर्वचननिर्देशात्
पितुर्वचननिर्देशात्
कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात्.
कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात्.
So next shloka, repeat. Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata
तं प्रजन्तं प्रियो भाता
लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः
लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः
स्नेहाद् विनयसम्पन्नः
स्नेहात् विनयसम्पन्नः
स्नेहाद् विनयसम्पन्नः
स्नेहात् विनयसम्पन्नः
सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः
सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः
भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः
भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः
सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन्
सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन् सौभ्रात्रम् मनुदर्शनम्
सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन्. उत्तमम्. So tam vrajantam priyo bhrata lakshmanonu स्नेहाद् विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रम् अनुदर्शयन्. So that's the next event. So now Rama said, okay, I'm leaving. So he is about to leave immediately. Bahirpranaiva, it comes later. Rama always says, Lakshmana is like my Bahiprana. Where is Prana? Prana is inside actually, right? Inside our body is the prana. Because prana is inside our body, we are alive. He always calls Lakshmana as Bahipranaha. He says, Arey, you are like my prana which is outside. He's always, and so recently, not recently, probably now, maybe 8-10 years back, there was one Telugu movie. One of my favorite, I almost worship him, director called K. Vishwanath. He made a movie in which it's basically showing two brothers, an elder brother and a younger brother. Both are into traditional Orthodox family, musicians, successful musicians, but the younger brother gets married later, and then the modern wife, so she wants to break away, and then this whole fame, all their hits, music, performances, orchestra that they used to make, now slowly the second one, the wife says, you are the main composer now, you are orchestrating, you are conducting everything. Why do you have to always depend on him? Come out, we will run our own company. Aisa bol ke. Bahar aata hai, but that fellow, he doesn't become a hit. He gets spoiled and all. So then finally he realizes, then comes back to brother. Normal, good. They end up together. And then again they become hit, whatever. So as part of when he is suffering, there is one great song. And the whole thing goes as how it is, as the poet there is imagining Rama and Lakshmana praising each other. So it says, Anujudai Lakshmanudu, Anna ani piluva, tapamemi cheseno Ramayya. छोटा भाई होके लक्ष्मण भैया ऐसा राम बुलवाने से, लक्ष्मण से बोलवा के राम जी ने क्या तप किया होगा कि लक्ष्मण से भैया, बड़ा भैया ऐसा बुलवा लिया. ही इज प्रेजिंग लक्ष्मण. कैसा लक्ष्मण है? व्हेन अनुजुड़े, सो इन द सेकंड वर्स इट सेज Lakshmana leaves everything. Rama at least had Sita with him. Lakshmana left Urmila. He came alone. And Lakshmana and Rama are Rama and Sita are in the inside the ashram, inside the bedroom. Lakshmana is always on the, on the guard, on the beat. He is always looking after, going around the house. sleeping for a couple of hours, waking up and seeing is everything secure. He was doing the security rounds there. Arey, itna tyag. And so the poet is now imagining what Rama feels. Arey Lakshmana, itna great hai re tu, mera bhai pran hai. I mean, what tapas maine kiya hoga purv janm mein ki I got the opportunity to be called big brother of you, bada bhai of you. ऐसा poet है, ऐसा poem है वो, beautiful poem. And if we know in Telugu, it is great song. So Lakshmana Bahipranaha. So we know obviously now if Rama is leaving, Lakshmana says, what am I to do here? I'm leaving immediately. It's as if the prana goes with the body, right? Now if I get up from here and I walk into my other room, the prana doesn't remain in this room. It comes with me. So also when Rama gets up to leave, without question, without anybody asking, Lakshmana automatically, as if the prana is moving with the body, Lakshmana also gets ready. Oh, I also change my dress. I bring my bow. Rama is carrying that. Okay, I also carry this. And he walks out. So much of that love between them. Aha, kya bhai log hai. So, Anujagama. So, Sajagama Vanam Viraha. We read in the previous sloka, right? Sajagama Vanam Viraha. Jagama means Gaya. Anujagama means he followed. Kaun? Lakshmanaha. Lakshmanaha Anujagama. Who is this Lakshmana? Priyaha Bhrata. Bhrata is the brother. His Priyaha, his beloved brother. Kinko kam Anujagama tam vrajantam. Rama Vraja is to move, to leave, to go, on the go. On the Rama, as he is on the go, Lakshmana also followed him. And what kind of Lakshmana is he? Snehad Vinaya Sampannaha. In fact, this whole slide, we are running out of time, but I thought so much of Bhasha is there now here, both from Vaishnava Sampradaya and from general description, just as I explained about Lakshmana's greatness, how much of Tyaga he does in his pure love for Rama and his attachment to always be with Rama. Just be around. In fact, I recollect now, my wife is the only daughter of my father-in-law. So my father-in-law used to tell in the beginning days, Ravi, that time he still used to work for SBI. Then he took VRS. He calls me Ravi. He used to say, Ravi, wherever you live, we will be 1 hour away from you at the most. Of course, we will not bother you. 1 hour, so that anytime we want to see you, we can reach you in 1 hour. So now I tell Siri also, my daughter, Siri, once you get married, wherever you live, no problem. I'll get a job somewhere. Stay 1 hour away, nearby. So that anytime I want to see you, I can see you. Anytime you want to come, you can come drive 1 hour distance. That's, you go to San Francisco, we'll come to San Francisco. You go to India, we'll come to India. You go to Europe, we'll come to Europe. So also Lakshmana is like that. Snehad Vinaya Sampanna. Always wants to be with Rama. As we said, Rama and Sita are inside the kutir. He is outside the kutir. Few yards away. Rama is walking. He is walking few yards in front of Rama, trying to clear everything and all. So that is that Lakshmana. And Snehad Vinaya Sampanna. So much of Bhashya is written about him. It's only 2 minutes, but I'll quickly summarize. So from the Vaishnava Sampradaya, what they say is Lakshmana is the Ananta Avatara. The Seshasai is there, right? That Seshasai Ananta is the Lakshmana's Avatara. And so also the quality of the snake, of serpent, of hissing, right? And Lakshmana is always like that. Whereas Rama is so cool, Lakshmana is so short-tempered. He gets angry like that Ananta Sesha, sorry. So that is one quality of Lakshmana said. And then they describe what is Lakshmana. Lakshmihi iva. Lakshmivan Lakshmanaha Shriman. Iti paryaya patascha. Let me put the point up there. So Lakshmivan Lakshmanaha Shriman. Iti paryaya patascha. So Lakshmanaha means Lakshmivan. Lakshmana also means a Lakshmivan. Lakshmi yasya saha Lakshmanaha. Athava Lakshmim yaha anusarati saha Lakshmanaha. Yatha Brahma. Brahmanam anusarati Brahmanaha. Lakshmim anusarati Lakshmanaha. Iti. So, iti paryaya patascha. Subhratur bhavaha saubhratram. So, snehad vinaya sampannaha. Sneham is, we also read about sneha, right? Sneha is that oiliness, stickiness. So, once you do oil, if you go for Abhyanga in Ayurveda, right, they apply the oil till you'll need several rounds of soap and whatever, right, to get it off. You'll keep feeling it is sticky. And so in India, they put besan and other powder, after they apply the oil, to get rid of it, to dry your skin, because if you just pour water will keep sliding away. So they put the besan's powder on your body and then rub with it so that this is taking away that oil. So that sneha, that stickiness is so much. So likewise, sneham quality is also such a quality that you don't want to leave. You cannot leave unless somebody comes and they hit you, they throw you out. You will not leave. Those log say chipak ke rehte hain. So that is called snehatvam. So the chipakna is a apabhramsha of sneha. Chipak ke rehna is sneha. So snehat and vinaya sampannaha. His sampat, his wealth, Lakshmana's wealth is that vinayam, always obedient to Rama. He will shout at Dasharatha. He will shout at Kausalya. He will shout at his own mother Sumitra. But if Rama says, he quiets, he calms down. That is the vinayam he has. So snehat vinaya sampannaha. And just as for Rama, Narada mentioned Kausalyananda vardhanaha. We read that as the 61st quality, right? So also here, Lakshmana is Sumitrananda vardhanaha. That's the quality given for Lakshmana. He is Ananda vardhana. He is the grower of the happiness of Sumitra. That means Sumitra also finds pleasure with Lakshmana. Of course, she has Lakshmana and Shatrughna. But if you see these Vardhana, Ananda Vardhana qualities are given to Rama and Lakshmana only. So Rama is Kausalyananda Vardhana, Lakshmana is Sumitrananda Vardhana. And what type of what are the other qualities of Lakshmana? Snehat Vinaya Sampannaha, Sumitrananda Vardhanaha, Priyaha Bhrata Lakshmanaha, Tam Vrajantam Ramam Anujagama. And the next part is Bhrataram Daito Bhratuhu Saubhratram Anudarshayan. So such kind of Lakshmana Anujagama Ramam. Why or how? Saubhratram Anudarshayan. What is Saubhratram? Bhratrutvam. That means Bhrata is brother, brotherhood. Unfortunately, if we say brotherhood now, we remember peacefuls, right? Brotherhood. Brotherhood, they have hijacked that word, unfortunately. But, Vikramji.
No, Bagaji. Sorry. I was unmuting for something else. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So that is Bhratrutvam, but luckily we have qualified it with Subhratrutvam, is Saubhratrutvam. Good brotherhood, not the peaceful brotherhood. Peaceful as in, peaceful guys, right? And they call peaceful brotherhood. So we are qualifying it with Subhratrutvam, is Saubhratrutvam. So Saubhratrutvam Anudarshayan. Darshana is demonstrating. He is demonstrating the good brotherhood by following Rama. So if Rama lives, I will also live without a word questioned. Saubhratrutvam Anudarshayan. Saubhratram Anudarshayan. And Bhratuhu Dayitaha. This is another word. Again, I saw Soumya ji is also there. She reminded us of when we talked about Pati word. that pati, Sanskrit verbs or nouns have a meaning there. It is not just a word to map an entity. Husband means an entity. No, there is no meaning there. But pati for us means, lot more. Likewise, dayita word is used in the next shloka. Ramasya dayita bharya comes. So for Sita, she is called dayita. For Lakshmana here, bhratuhu dayitah. Bhrataram dayito bhratuhu saubhratram anudarshayan anujagama, it says. So dayitaha is beloved in English, if we say. Beloved is dayitaha. So beloved brother, beloved wife, it can be anybody, right? Anybody that you like can be beloved. But if it is dayita as in Sita, typical translations, people will say is bharya. But dayitaha means beloved. And so here it is dayitaha in Pullinga, that which is Lakshmana. Whose dayitaha? Bhratuhu dayitaha. His brother's beloved. Who is that brother? Rama. So Rama's beloved Lakshmana. Bhrataram. Tam vrajantam bhrataram. Bhratuhu dayitaha. Snehad vinaya sampannaha. Sumitrananda vardhanaha. Priyaha bhrata. Lakshmanaha. Saubhratram anudarshayan anujagamaha. That is the Anvaya Vakya. I'll say it one more time. You will easily understand. Tam vrajantam bhrataram. When you hear that is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. So that is the object. Who is that object? Rama is going. Onto that object, the verb is anujagama. He followed. Who? Bhratuhu dayitaha. Snehad vinaya sampannaha. Sumitrananda vardhanaha. Priyaha bhrata Lakshmanaha anujagama. Katham, how? Saubhratram anudarshayan, by demonstrating the good brotherhood. So that is the 24th shloka. We'll stop here. We'll look at the next shloka in the next session. Any quick questions before we do Mangal Shloka and stop here? We are already late by 7 minutes. Or we'll do Mangal Shloka. Yes. Yeah.
What does Vasishta mean?
Huh?
What does Vasishta mean, as in Vasishta's?
What does Vasishta mean? Oh boy.
What does his name mean?
Yeah, you want Vyatpatti, the Sanskrit meaning.
I don't know.
No, what you mean, the meaning, like
Like in
Vasishta iti va?
what does Vasishta's name mean?
So the meaning means Vasihi Shtha. Shtha means Tishtati. Pratishtha. Or I'm trying to. So Shtha means Sthanam Tishtati. Where he stands, where he lives. Vasihi Tishtati. So in that noble ideas, noble qualities, one who stands is Vasishtha. That's the meaning, pure, literal meaning of the word.
Okay.
Just as Ramayati iti Ramaha, Lakshmivan Lakshmanaha, Atva Lakshmi Manusarati Lakshmanaha.
Okay.
Vasi Shtha Tishtati Vasishtha. Uttama. So we'll stop recording by chanting Mangala Shloka. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'll stop recording.